Well, hello loves, this is Kimberly here. Welcome to A Blessed Home with Kimberly Davis. Today I am participating in the Hop Around the House, which is a hop collaboration being hosted by Nicole, and her channel is Nicole Northgarden Home and Garden. Now what Nicole wanted us to do is just to share lots of cleaning and decorating inspiration. So please go over and show Nicole some love. Tell her that Kimberly sent you. And once you view my video, click the link in my description box to view more inspiration for the next video on the hop. I'm sure you will be inspired by what you see. Now today I will be sharing a Christmas takedown. So I will be concentrating on my entry, my staircase, taking all of the Christmas decor down. And I'm going to even share with you at the end my living room, because I got carried away and I was like, well, if I'm taking all of this down in this space, I might as well do the living room as well. And guys, I'm just sharing with you views of all of the decor that must come down. Now looking at all of this, I cannot do this all by myself. I didn't put it up by myself. I had some helpers. And as you can see, I have my hubby and my grandson. And my grandson is not too happy right now. He loves seeing all of the decor in our home. So we're just gonna jump right in and get everything taken down and packed up and put away. I started off pulling everything off of the garland, starting with my staircase. I started pulling the poinsettias. What I usually do, I go get poinsettias, then I'll move on to different picks, ornaments, etc. until I have everything off of the garland. And as you can see, my little helper here, he's helping with the poinsettias. Now this will be just the start of taking my Christmas decor down, and I will be placing just a few items out to not have my area here look so bland. You know, after you take all the Christmas decor down, you're left with a clean slate and it's not so decorative at that point. Now we did all of this in a matter of a day and a half, taking everything down. I did the living room the day before we started this on the stairs and the entryway. Again, a day and a half. Rome is not built in a day, nor was this. And I still have more Christmas decor to take down. This is just the start. Right now I'm looking at the ribbon. I take everything off, so the next coming Christmas season, again, I have a clean slate. Because I'm not saying I'm going to use this next year. This same color scheme, I'm going to change it up. And I must say, this is not fun at all, taking the decor down. I was so sad to see all of my decor be packed up. How do you feel about packing up all of your Christmas decor? Right here I'm upstairs in my upstairs landing, getting the rest of the ribbon down. I did get my exercise going up and down these stairs, and my hubby did too. Now he's taking the garland off of the stairs. Now what he is snipping, and I know I'm going to get this word wrong, we use tie downs, the tighteners, to hold the garland to the staircase railing. And he's snipping that off. So if you see those wire cutters, that's what he's using to cut that off. Now, as you know, with garland flock trees, they leave a mess. But it wasn't as bad as I thought it would be. I thought it was going to be worse than this. So the flock was minimal, and I was happy about that. Now, as you can see, my little helper, he was a little tired, so he got a little nap in while we continued to work. Now, here's all the garland and all the ribbon and the picks and the poinsettias. And next, we're going to start on this tree. And this is one of 3 trees that we took down in this space. And I use that same method of pulling everything, the same things that are alike, pulling them off first. So when I put them in the bins, all of the items are there together. Again, I'm so thankful for my hubby because again, I could not have done this without him taking all of this. Well, I could have done it, but it would have took me days to get all of this down. So I am so thankful for him. He's always there to support me anyway. Now, to give you a little laugh here, this is the tree that was in my upstairs landing. He decided to bring it down, and he was tired, and he just sat on the stairs there. So I had to laugh at him when he did that. So here are the 3 trees that we had just in this space, ready to be packed up for next year. Also, my hubby is wrapping bubble wrap around the nutcracker to protect him as well. Now I'm going to start on this table here. I pretty much cleared it off prior. I'm just going to take that wreath down and place a mirrored piece that I had already. It's nothing that I bought new. I'm going to place it back in this area. It was a piece that I had before Christmas. And what I do, I put my wreaths in garbage bags until I can get all of my wreath boxes, because I have a lot of wreaths. But yeah, I place them in garbage bags and lay them on top of each other, and they come out just fine each and every year. This is the mirrored piece that I was telling you about, the mirrored art that I'm going to hang on the wall. I was here trying to decide which way I wanted it to go. Couldn't remember which way I had it, but I finally figured it out. Then I started vacuuming and cleaning my floors, and I didn't show this whole step here. But again, I showed you prior to all the flock that was on the floor and everything. So I did do that. And I also moved this chair. This is a chair that I had here prior to Christmas. I moved it back in this area. And guys, this is pretty much it. I am done. I was so happy to sit down and kick my feet up. So I'm just going to share with you and show you around the progress that we made. Here's my entry. As you come into my doors, my front door, here's the staircase. The part that you didn't see, I wiped down all of the spindles and the top railing of the staircase, and everything is clean, and I am so happy to see everything packed up and have pretty much a clean slate. I did leave a lot of items out, and as you can see here, this is the before of my living room. I had some gifts in that chair. This is with all the Christmas decor up. As much as I love seeing it out, I am glad that I have a clean slate now. I left some red out because red is my favorite color. Also, Valentine's Day is coming up within the next month. So this is just prep and things to work with for Valentine's Day. If you are coming over from Nicole's and some of the other ladies that are participating in the Hops channels, I'm so glad that you are here, and I hope that you decide to stay by clicking that subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to ring the bell so you'll be notified of all the videos that I upload. I can be followed on other social media sites, which are Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and TikTok. And I have an Amazon store where you can shop 24 hours a day, 7 days a week for some beautiful home decor, home essentials, personal items, and so much more. All of those links can be found in my description box down below. And if you are a faithful and returning family member, I consider myself blessed that you are a part of this family, the blessed family. Well, that's all that I have for you today. I hope that this is motivation and inspiration for you. Again, thank you, Nicole, for inviting me to participate in this hop. I had so much fun participating in it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. You take care, you be blessed, and I will see you on the next video. Love you guys. Have a blessed, beautiful day, and be safe. I'll talk to you real soon.